Around here at Crypto Vault, we treat Dogecoin, Doge, cryptographic money with deference, as Doge is the ideal illustration of what can be accomplished in the event that a digital currency has solid local area support. Brought into the world as an internet image, Dogecoin shows how a basic joke might increment in worth and come to a $18 billion market capitalization. We've gathered realities about the Dogecoin example of overcoming adversity and gave Doge cost forecast. Dogecoin was planned utilizing the codebase of Litecoin, and its advancement was pointed toward giving an option in contrast to Bitcoin. It ought to have been a more receptive and well-disposed digital money. Its most unmistakable component, nonetheless, is its mascot. The engineers of Dogecoin picked a good times approach towards its turn of events. Dogecoin was somewhat changed when created as a fork of Litecoin. New blocks in the Doge blockchain are made quicker than in Litecoin 1 moment, against 2.5 minutes in LTC. Dogecoin's mining trouble is changed each block found, and the award is fixed. The most particular change occurred in the brand, and it turned into a main impetus behind its fame. The tomfoolery picture of the crypto helped this image token to certainly stand out in different virtual entertainment. The coin turned well known even external the local area of blockchain innovation fans. Noble cause and tipping. For around 3 years the image coin was popular, however not effectively exchanged, and there were no quick cost developments by the same token. A few foundation programs and a well-disposed Doge people group assisted the coin with getting the trust of the local area. The coin developed its client base with the assistance of the Reddit people group and other social stages. It moved the Dogecoin market cap in rates not even the most bullish experts might have anticipated. Doge cost dropped essentially, and its market cap has likewise left its high point. In any case, it is one of the best 15 coins available, and generally speaking ROI is around 11,000%. It is likewise really well-known advanced coin, since Elon Musk is empowering clients to get it and send it to the moon. Dogecoin is the 10th buy deals and trade digital money on Crypto Vault, yet notwithstanding this, clients consistently trade it because of the long presence and improvement of the coin. Cap is Dogecoin. Dogecoin, Doge, depends on the well-known Doge internet image and highlights a Shiba Inu on its logo. The open-source computerized cash was made by Billy Marcus from Portland, Oregon, and Jackson Palmer from Sydney, Australia, and was forked from Litecoin in December 2013. Dogecoin's makers visualized it as a tomfoolery happy cryptographic money that would have more prominent allure past the center Bitcoin crowd, since it depended on a canine image. Tesla CEO Elon Musk posted a few tweets via virtual entertainment that Dogecoin is his #1 coin. How do you mine Dogecoin? Dogecoin varies from Bitcoin's evidence of work convention in more than one way, one of which is by utilizing script innovation. The altcoin has likewise a block season of 1 moment, and the complete inventory is uncapped, and that really intends that there is no restriction to the quantity of Dogecoin that can be mined. You can mine Dogecoin either solo or by joining a mining pool. A Doge excavator can mine the computerized money on Windows, Mac or Linux, and with a GPU. Starting around 2014, you can likewise mine Litecoin in a similar course of mining Dogecoin as the cycles were consolidated. Dogecoin, Doge, price analysis. 2018 was an extreme and negative year for Doge. Comparatively to the next market, Dogecoin cost brought down by the deficiency of the public's consideration. Dogecoin cost was in a downtrend for all of 2018, notwithstanding the multiple times the Dogecoin cost was going up for a brief time frame. Today, the drawn-out Dogecoin conjecture isn't extremely brilliant. During the value, for instance, Cash and Bitcoin Cash, the two coins reflected the Bitcoin cost diagram. Because of the way that Doge relies upon the digital currency market developments, anticipating its cost becomes troublesome, particularly in the long-term. In expansion to Dogecoin, there are other cryptographic forms of money that can carry cash to their proprietors, the best digital currency to put resources into 2022 for long haul. Doge is broadly possessed, and the local area individuals look to involve their Dogecoins in regular day-to-day existence. As of late added Bitrefil's Airbnb installment choice is a genuine model. The cost of Dogecoin isn't exceptionally receptive to media consideration. For instance, the report about Airbnb caused a cost ascend against United States dollars by 3% north of 3 days after the declaration. As per Google Trends, Doge has a serious crowd and is most well known in Venezuela. Like Dash, Doge ended up being one of the go-to cryptos in nations where the monetary framework is battling. Different nations with a lot of Dogecoin look incorporate Bangladesh, Pakistan, the Philippines, and Nigeria. It is a decent sign that the coin is utilized as an option, in contrast to the authority government-issued types of money of these nations for financial trade between ordinary individuals. As of late, Dogecoin's cost increased by 100%. Such a triumph was sitting tight for the coin after the distribution of the viral video on TikTok, where the client of the Wolf of Bitcoins showed his mining ranch. What can Dogecoin be used for? Dogecoin has been utilized fundamentally as a tipping framework on Reddit and Twitter to remunerate the creation or sharing of value content. You can get tipped Dogecoin by taking part locally that utilizes the computerized cash, or you can get your Dogecoin from a Dogecoin spigot. A Dogecoin spigot is a site that will give you a modest quantity of Dogecoin for nothing as a prologue to the cash, so you can start communicating in Dogecoin people group. How might you buy Dogecoin? You can sell or purchase Dogecoin at any trade that offers the computerized money, store it on a trade or in a Dogecoin wallet, and tip Dogecoin in any networks that acknowledge Dogecoin. For the most recent rundown of trades and exchanging matches for this cryptographic money, click on our Market Matches tab. Elon Musk and Dogecoin. The outcome of Dogecoin is firmly interlaced with Elon Musk's energy for it. Musk started tweeting about Dogecoin in mid-2021, sharing a Lion King Doge image. That launched an enraged Doge rally with transitory dunks that finished in Musk's appearance on Saturday Night Live. After the SNL appearance, Doge crashed notwithstanding Musk's vows to moon its cost. Before long, Musk appeared to lose interest, and the cost of Doge has tumbled more than 70% from its untouched high. Notwithstanding, Musk actually yields control over Dogecoin, as intermittent tweets show. How and where to buy Dogecoin, Doge. It is not difficult to purchase or trade Dogecoins on many trades. While buying crypto, it is essential to take advantage of the opportunity of the best rates, as the digital money market ceaselessly varies. You can constantly check the Dogecoin cross rate to other digital forms of money on our site. The amount are Dogecoins worth. Dogecoin's ongoing business sector esteem is about $18,928,264,389 as of April 2022. Will Dogecoin ever reach $10? Reddit clients guess Doge to turn into the cash of the web. So it can go higher than $10. Is Dogecoin dead? As indicated by Reddit, this image-propelled digital money stays strong on its paws. A few stores acknowledge Dogecoins these days. So it's the best proof that Dogecoin is alive. Is Dogecoin a wise venture? Indeed, Dogecoin began as a joke. In any case, these days, the image coin is as yet one of the most famous among the crypto local area. In spite of the way that the cost isn't at its most noteworthy point, the long-haul acquiring